Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, welcome back to another Batty Boffin maths video, and here we're going to be doing multiplying out brackets. Now we did start this in some of the earlier videos on simplifying algebra, where I drew those little kind of open crisp packets with x and x and x and 7 in it, and we had like 5 crisp packets the same. Now I'm not going to be drawing out the pictures in these ones here, so if you feel you want to go back and see what these things actually look like, go to some of the earlier videos on the simplifying algebra. But here we're going full whack straight into the multiplying out brackets. Now I've got a few written out here, starting off easy, getting harder, and we'll just go through these and then you can have a go at some yourself. So, first things first, drink of coffee. The top one. In the brackets we have a plus 7, and we've got 2 lots of that. So if you like the crisp packets, it's a crisp packet with an a and a 7 in it, and then we've got 2 of those identical. So we've got 2 lots of a plus 7. All in all, we have 2 lots of a, and we have 2 lots of 7. 2a plus 14. For the next one, we have a little bit more in the brackets. We've got a b plus a 4 in there, 2b plus 4. Or maybe it's not 2b, I don't know. So we need 3 lots of 2b, so that's 3 times 2 times b. So that comes out to 6b, not 5, 6. 3 times 2 times b. And then we have the 3, whoops, that's supposed to be pointing at the 4. 3 times the 4 is a 12. For the third one down, we've got something slightly more complicated in the brackets. That's a 3 times an a times a b. So when we do 5 lots of 3 times a times b, we end up with 15 ab. And the 5 times the 5 plus 25. Please note that the numbers here, posh term, coefficients, the 5 and the 25 are both in the 5 times table. The coefficients here are both in the 3 times table. The coefficients here are both in the 2 times table, and that will always happen. So if you're multiplying by 5 and you get a number that's not in the 5 times table, you've gone wrong. You've probably added things instead of multiplied them. Okay, this next one down here, similar kind of thing, except we've got a letter here, not a number. That's totally fine. Letters, numbers, they all work exactly the same. So I'd like you here to please to pause the video and have a go at that one on your own. Do that now, please. Welcome back. Hopefully you got, assuming you know your 7 times table, 7 times 2 times a times b gives you 14ab, and 7 times b, dead easy, 7b. Okay? Time for the last one. The last one here has got 3 terms in it. That's no problem. You're just going to do it 3 times, and instead of ending up with 2 things in your answer, you'll end up with 3 things in your answer. So pause the video and have a go at that one. Okay, here we go. 4 times 3 times a is 12a, and then 4 times negative 4, did you spot that? 4 times negative 4b's, we should have take away 16b, or negative 16b, whichever way you want to call it, and then 4 times the c gives you a 4c. And again, please note all the coefficients are in the 4 times table. Okay, hopefully you got those. If you didn't, go back and look at some of the earlier videos, the ones with the open crisp packets in. And if you did, talk amongst yourself for a while, go get a cup of coffee, have some pizza, while I just rub out this board and put some up for you to do. Back in a minute. Right, I'm back now. So I've got a few on here for you to do. Again, starting off simple and going down to a little bit, oh my goodness. So at the top, we've got 5 lots of 2a plus 7. Pretty simple. Second one down here, don't forget that negative. Down here, we've got some letters coming in. Here's some more letters, again a takeaway, which means you're going to have something, take away something in your answer. Down here we've got some ABs and some A squareds. Don't worry, it works exactly the same. You'll get over here a certain number of ABs and a certain number of A squareds. And then down on this last one, we've got A squared Bs and AB squareds, which are different things. If you're not sure about that, go back and look at some of the earlier videos where I talk about that. So, pause the video and have a go at those. Welcome back. Hopefully these are the answers you got. For the first one, dead easy. I'm going to do that in a different colour. Blue. 5 lots of 2A gives you 10A. 5 lots of 7, 35, and they're added. For the second one, 3 lots of 4AB, so that's 3 times 4 times A times B, is 12AB. 3 lots of -5, got minus 15. Hope you got that negative. 4 lots of 3A is 12A, and 4 lots of B is 4B. Pretty simple really. 5 lots of 4 times A times B gives us 20, whoops, I wrote 2 there, 20 AB. And then 5 lots of -C, remembering there's a 1 in front of that C, so it's 5 times 1, minus 5C. Okay, hope you're getting all these. Getting down to the slightly harder ones now. 7 times 2 times A times B, that's 14AB. And then 7 times 3 times A times A, 7 times 3, 21. A squared, 21A squared. And the last one down here, 6 times 4A squared B is 24A squared B. It's a really long one. Ooh. 6 times -2AB squared. They're getting quite long, aren't they, these? Take away 12AB squared. Right, if you got all of those, give yourself a pat on the head and a gold star. You really have got this multiplying out. Check out the next video where we're going to put something a little more dastardly than a number outside the brackets. Oh yes. See you next time.
Mwahaha! Mwahaha! Mwahaha!